Again, continuations kang ukat, no? Again, so here, to test the brain, no? Kaya importante mo kayo ng brain. Kailangan mo makita kung ionic ko ng ay kabunin. Oh. Ano? Again, here, no? So, cut, again, cut. This is our 9 treatment sessions together with the gasoline, 6 kilograms, no? Both, ang upper, about 1 kilogram, lower, no? Again, muna sa management, 1 to 5, yung provide at 5 to 10 continuous, but upper na ang upper, no? No, karon, ang brain mo, pag mo-register niya siya, akong bagtak, no? Again, after siyang ipakupot, so, cut, kani, to test your brain, no? Here, you got, okay, here, then, 1, 2, 3, okay? Okay, that's done, no? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, that's all that. Good, again, no? So, ito na ito. Again, nahukat ko. So, here, again, ang tututan on. Please, ha, precaution, ha, awa ka ato. Malagining ato, ha. Again, ating i-document ni, mo ni importante, lakaw pa ka, sige pa, kawaisit na lakaw pa, kay iya masos, ikunta ka na, no, grabe ito nga, pressure, no, sa bot, ni, an uncle, mo to, yung uncle na may pain, oy, naabag ito yung pain, nga, trawon na, i-review na ito mo, na, i-video, ya, so here, again, yan, pakunta na ito sukat, okay ka, yan ay pain, again, wow, no, sabag, educate ka ka, katong sa katiil, gibutang na kayo mong whole body weight, sa usa katiil, sa usa na pud katiil, whole body weight. Bisa ayo ka. No, again, educate ba, no? Muna na kay gasolina, kasi mong heart nga ma-healthy sa Arwin Ergometer. We combine that together with the 3 months after, makuha mo 1 hour na twice a week. Yeah. We'll see laboratory test. Pasado sa lab test. So, dinitambal tumaron. Again, thank you, sa support tagad, ha? Thank you. Okay.